Hey guys, Kirk here from Treehouse 51, and in this video I'm going to show you how to have a development server for your WordPress website without paying a dime. So what I want you to do when you get a chance is navigate over to Pantheon. Here's the URL. They are a hosting provider. What I like about them, and one of the things that attracts everybody to their platform, is that they let you have development environments for free. So let's say you want to work on a website and you don't have a budget for a server, or you want to just have a development area where you can do some work to show a client and later invoice them for it. This would be a really great solution. Our agency actually uses it a lot. So I'm going to show you the steps to create a new WordPress site so you can see how easy it is. So for me, you'd have to get started for free. For me, I'm just going to log in, so I'll go ahead and do that. Once you're logged into Pantheon, it's going to take you to your dashboard where your sites are. To create a new WordPress website, all you have to do is say create new site. Now what I also like about this tool is that there's an option to migrate an existing site. So let's say you have a client who has a WordPress site and you want to move them to Pantheon to have a development site and or upgrade their server. So they have a WordPress plugin, you add it to their website, and then all you have to do is follow the steps. You just add a code to the plugin and then you're able to migrate it. So in this case, we're going to create a new website. So just select create new website, let the screen load. So you're going to want to give this site a name. We're going to call it Gutenberg A, and then you're going to select the organization. Now the reason we're calling it Gutenberg is because in a later video we're going to be giving you guys a little demo on our thoughts on Gutenberg. So click add site, and here you can decide what type of framework you want it to be. So in our case it's going to be WordPress. So just select deploy. This takes less than 10 minutes. I'll fast forward this section in the video. The next screen takes you to 3 environments: development, test, and live. So the way that Pantheon works is you do all your development coding in development, and then you push it up to test, and then when ready, you deploy it to your live environment. And the live environment, this is what everybody would see on the web. So in this case, we're going to stick with our development environment, and we're going to select install WordPress. And what you're going to notice is that the installation process is exactly the same as if you were going to install a WordPress website, because it is a WordPress website. So let's go ahead and give this a name, and let's change our password right here, and let's add our email address and install the WordPress site. And now let's go ahead and log in, and let's see that this is actually set up correctly. And there you go, our development website is set up. Take note of the URL on top. It says dev Gutenberg A Pantheon IO. So when we push this to test, it'll say test, and when we push it to live, it'll say live. The way to have it actually show your domain is you need to get a paid account. I hope this video helps, guys, and if it does, please leave us a comment below and let me know what you think and what you think we should make the next video on. And stay tuned, we're going to be making a video next on our thoughts on Gutenberg and how to best use it. Thanks.